Oh boy, this is gonna get interesting. I took off. As I was climbing away from the deck, I put my gear up, realized I had a gear malfunction. At this point, it's time to figure out how do I get the jet back on the deck safely. There was like basically a stool that was built specifically for this reason. So I come in, and at this point, I've kind of forgotten that I don't have a nose gear. I'm just focused on landing. That's what I decided I had to do. So I'm at 20 feet stabilized, and I can't see the stool. I don't even know it's there.